Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Designing Vision. Today we will start with second module of Corel Draw Graphics of 2020. In this module we will discuss about toolbar and some tools used for designing objects. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So this is our toolbar. Here you can find various tools for creation of objects. The first thing which we will discuss is drawing tools. And this is start from freehand tool which is placed at 5th position. You will see a small drop down button at the bottom right corner. Here you will find more drawing tools. In this you have freehand tool, 2-point line, Bezier tool, pen, B-spline, polyline and 3-point curve. So we will discuss them one by one. First, freehand tool. As the name depicts, freehand tool is used to draw small curves freely and line segments. This tool automatically smoothens your curve like this. So our second tool is 2-point line. In this tool, you have to hold mouse to select one point and drag it to a second point to make a straight line. It draws a line between starting point and end point, like this. Our third tool is Bezier tool. It is used to draw curves one segment at a time. Or to be more precise and understandable, we can draw lines and curves both together. In this, you can perform line drawing by marking points only and curves by holding mouse and drag it to further for more curve in nature like this. If short distance, short curve will be there, and if long distance, so more curve in nature will be there like this. So moving further, our fourth tool is pen tool. It is used to draw curves but in segments. Preview each segment as you draw like this. So our fifth tool is B-spline. In this tool you have to mark control line which shapes the curve without breaking it into segments. It is best to shape your curves as per your choices, as you can see in this example. Our sixth tool is polyline. It is used to draw a connected line figure in continuous section like this. It also smoothens your curve, as you can see on screen. So our last and the seventh tool is 3-point curve. In this you have to drag and draw the starting point and end point of the mouse. Then you have to adjust the curve by adjusting the center of the point. And you can draw curves like this. So here I end my today's module, and we will continue with more tools in next video. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching, and do subscribe our channel Designing Vision.